Purvottanasana, upward plank pose. Come to Dandasana, and from here stretch your leg, bring your palm next to your hip, and slowly with the next inhale push up your sacrum and your hip towards the ceiling. See that your feet are flat on the ground, and if you want to make easier the posture, then you can bend your knee and you can further push upwards the hip. You can do from this easier version a one leg version. You should do the posture for 8-14 breaths at least. It has a good effect on the back part of the body. You can make easier the posture if you place a brick under your palm. Again, push yourself up. See that you are in the full version, the knees are straight and the feet are flat on the ground. And now next I will show you strengthening version. Usually we have a few asana with which we can make stronger the back part of the body. So with this next sequence, you can make stronger the back part of the body, engaging the back of the legs and also the shoulder. So with an inhale, come to table position, and after with an exhale, bring your hip backward. You can repeat it for 14 times, maybe with 2 rounds. And I show you for this strengthening version another variation. With an exhale, you bring your elbow close to the navel, and with an inhale, you're stretching your psoas muscle towards the sky, meantime arching your back as well. You can do from this as well 8-14 reps, 2 or 3 rounds. Or you can do a more advanced version. When you almost come to Chakrasana, you start in Malasana, you make a rounding movement and come half Chakrasana on both sides.